Hey Shiba Army, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, having a great day. Today we got a brand new update, brand new video on Shiba Inu coin, guys. A lot of stuff we got to talk about. Yeah, we might be in the red. The entire market is in the red. We're going to get into everything in just a moment. But first, if you're not already a part of this growing community, guys, please consider subscribing and turning on those post notifications. So today is another day of red in the entire crypto space. So looking at the global crypto market, we're currently down close to 3% on the day, coming in with the market cap being at 1.63 trillion. And here you can see Bitcoin down 3%, Ethereum around 3% as well, Dogecoin as well 3%. So everything's sticking around the same as the entire market, which isn't that bad, right? If the entire crypto market was down, let's say 3% as it is right now, and Bitcoin was down 10 or 20%, that wouldn't be looking good for Bitcoin or whichever coin we'd be speaking about. Now, we are still in one of the top spots for most cryptocurrency viewed on coinmarketcap.com. Here you can see we're in 4th place. Not too bad. We've been all over the place this week. 1st, 2nd, 3rd. A lot of new coins or newer coins are coming in and kind of taking the top spot with like SHIB Inu, which is a fairly recent coin. Alaska Inu, fairly recent coin. Now there's Green Trust. This is another brand new coin. And you can see from the explosive gains Green Trust has, right? Over 31% in the last 24 hours. But a lot of times these coins will be gone tomorrow, or in a few days we won't really see them anywhere. Like Life Token, which was in the #1 spot for a day or two a few days back, and then now it's nowhere to be found on this list of the top 30 most viewed cryptocurrencies. So being in that top 5 to me is very impressive. We're a very great community. The Shiba Army is going very strong. Alright guys, let's take a look at the price of Shiba right now. So as you can see guys, it's trading at 8584. So we got those 5 zeros followed by the 8584, down about 4 or 5% on the day in the last 24 hours. Not too bad. Entire crypto market being down about 3%. Here we are just a little over 4%, so sort of in line with the entire market, so that's not too bad as I mentioned earlier. Volume has decreased very slightly by about 8%, coming in at about 513 million. And the market cap as well down about 6-7%, coming in at 3.3 billion. So taking a look at the 1-day chart here, you can see with Shiba, not much really going on, but something weird is going on here. Right about 5 o'clock in the morning, you can see just makes this little dump going all the way down here. Not too sure exactly what's been happening, but we have seen some weird trends going on in the early morning. The last few days, seeing those big pops at around 6, 7 in the morning. But here for today, we have a drop at 5 in the morning. So obviously there's a lot of traders, a lot of trading going on. People are looking at the charts and are trading at these times. Now, since today is a red day, I've said this before, Shiba Swap is most likely not going to be released on a red day. Well, in my opinion, I think it will not be released. It just wouldn't make sense for me to have it released on a red day. We want to go when the market is strong in the green, building up that rally, getting ready for that breakout. Now, I got an update on Shiba Swap and we're going to go over that in just a moment. But guys, still a lot of hype. Check out this. 896,000 people have it on their watch list. We're getting close to that 900 and soon it's going to be over 1 million people. That's going to be incredible, guys. Guys, just as a quick reminder, if you like free money, you want 2 free stocks, sign up for WEBULL. All you got to do is sign up and you're going to get 1 free stock valued up to $300 and that's it. But if you want to deposit $100 and fund your account with $100, you will get another free stock valued up to $2,000, guys. Link in the description down below. Alright guys, so let's get into the latest update with Shiba Swap, guys. Now you know it's coming. It's going to be any day. Like I said, look out for a green day, but any day it's ready. I have a feeling that that's what the team is doing. They're looking at the market thinking, market's been kind of in a downtrend. It's been red. It hasn't been able to snap out of it. We can't release it yet. Right? Maybe they should tell us that. Maybe that would be better if they just came out and said, hey guys, it's a red day. But they don't want to actually probably tell people that because people will be thinking, if it's ready, just release it. Like, who cares what the market is, right? But coming from a company standpoint or a project standpoint, it's in their best interest to go when the market is going great and being in the green. So on the Discord, Satoshi had mentioned swap is ready. Works nicely. So this is great coming from the man himself that it's ready to be released. It's working nicely. But the big question on everybody's mind is, why aren't you dropping it? So like I've just explained earlier, I believe it's due to the condition of the market, the overall market trend. However, I may be wrong. There could be more to it. But other than that, if it's working and all the checks are in place and it's fully secured, why else would they not be releasing it? I also believe that there's many people out there that are kind of hoping it's not released today or tomorrow because they want to buy more. They want to buy more. Maybe you're waiting on your paycheck or for a check to come in the mail and you're thinking, I just got to wait until tomorrow when that money comes in, I can buy more. But being down about 5% on the day today is a great opportunity to pick up some SHIB a little cheaper. Now, just a quick update with the Robinhood petition to list Shiba Inu, guys. Just want to say what an amazing milestone we have reached. Congratulations, guys. We have surpassed 100,000 signatures. But 106,000 plus people have signed this petition. Now the goal has been changing constantly, but now the most recent goal is 150,000 signatures, guys. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if they're going to list it at 150 or if it's just going to go up to 200 at that point. But guys, we have done such a great job. The Shiba Army is one of the strongest communities in the world, guys. Look at this. Together with all of you doing this. So this is a great example of one of those times where you always say, how can I, just being one person, make a difference? How can I make a change in this world? Well, right here, all of you, each one of you contributed to this 106,000+ signatures, guys. And guys, here right back on coinmarketcap.com, you can see our holders are growing tremendously, over 474,000 holders for Shiba Inu. And you can see by the graph, look how nice this looks. Gradually increasing more and more. In the next few days, I believe we're going to be at that 500,000+ mark. Alright guys, taking a look at one of the latest tweets from SHIB Informer. Here we are. Some are so obsessed with burning. Why burn SHIB? Burning does not mean the price will skyrocket or anything. Wait and give the Shiba Swap's staking mechanism a chance. And consider that all tokens have owners now, and the team does not have a dev wallet to make any price impact. So I definitely understand what's going on here with SHIB Informer. Man, I've seen so many posts about people asking to burn or telling people you should burn your tokens. Obviously, we want to give Shiba Swap a chance. And we've heard that the devs, Satoshi, Ryoshi, they don't have any SHIB themselves. You know, we learned that last week or so when Ryoshi put up that blog post mentioning that he didn't own any SHIB because he didn't want to be biased to, try to inflate the price. However, that was still mind-blowing to me, hearing that Ryoshi doesn't own any SHIB. To me, I just couldn't understand it, but I guess everybody has their reasons, right? And maybe they're just waiting to see what happens with the release of Shiba Swap, taking one day at a time. Let's get Shiba Swap out of the way, launched and live. Then we can start talking about what we're going to do in regards to burning, if we're going to do something at all. But at the end of the day, guys, if you love SHIB, if you love being in the Shiba Army, if this is the coin, if you love the project, the community, you are going to be invested, right? That's just it. You're not so worried about what's going to happen a year from now or 2 years from now. You're working with what we know right now, because that's all we know is what's happening now or in the very near future, which is Shiba Swap, guys. So hold strong. And if you need to, remind yourself why you got into Shiba Inu, right? Why did you buy? Why did you become an investor? That's what you always got to remind yourself. If you ever feel like selling, if those paper hands are becoming very tempted, when you have these red days, keep the positivity up and just remember why you got involved with this amazing, amazing community. All right, guys, that's about it for here. Some Shiba Swap updates, Robinhood updates surpassing 100,000. Quite impressive in my books, definitely. Now remember, guys, please consider subscribing and turning on those post notifications. And of course, guys, if you want some free money, if you're just looking for a brand new broker, if you want 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, free money, all you got to do is hit that WEBULL link in the description below. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your Saturday. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, happy trading, happy investing, and I'll see you all in the next video.